Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this heart look for Valentine's Day. So grab some snacks, sit back, and let's get ready. The very first thing we're going to do is prime our eyes, and I will be using the Urban Decay Shadow Potion, the original one. First color I'm going to go in with is my fave from the Aviani palettes from Morphe Cosmetics. I'm going to go ahead and add that all across my lid, and I'm just going to kind of blend it out a little bit just to add the color. And then after I have a nice shape, I'm going to go in again with the same color and add a little bit more pigmentation. Then I'm going to go in with the color Maddie Don't Like, and I'm just going to tap that all over my lid to again add more pigmentation to the red around my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with the Clinique Take the Day Off Removing Balm. I'm actually just going to use that to create the heart shape and erase the color that was on my lid so I have a solid base to tap the rest of the color. Next, I'm going to go in with the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Cosmetics, and I'm going to go ahead and just trace out the heart shape just to define it a little bit better and kind of create like an outside shadow effect. I'm going to go ahead and dip back into that Aviani palette, but I'm going to be using the wet liners that are in this palette. I'm going to go ahead and take the white shade right here, and I'm going to trace out the heart that I made previously. Just be a little bit careful when you're using the wet liners because they do dry out really fast. You want to be really precise with them just so you can make sure you get the max pigmentation and it's not too messy. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that Juvia's palette and just kind of reshape the outline and keep creating that shadow effect. Lastly, I'm going to go in with some nice glitter just to make it pop and line out the rest of the heart with some black liner, again just to make it pop a little bit. And after that, I just add liner and lashes and we're all done.